our school, Pankaj sir, the vice principal, all our teachers, and all our dear students. We all have gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day with full of happiness and joy. Let all of us strive towards to enjoy the freedom in fullness equally as being an Indian. I wish you all a great happy Independence Day.
Now we are moving towards flag hoisting. I cordially invite respected Father Joshi to hoist the flag.
Let us sing the national anthem and salute the flag to honor our country.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Let's raise our heart and mind towards the God to thank Him for this country's great freedom through a prayer dance by Tanu Srivastav. Thank you, Tanu, for your wonderful performance. Remembering all the freedom fighters, here comes our students Subhana Ali, Shraddha Lodi, Kritika Srivastav, and Ashika Jain with their wonderful dance performance.
Hoshiar.
Hoshiar! 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 झूम कर। ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन ये समा ये बहार जिंदा जानिसा। ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन ये समा ये बहार जिंदा जानिसा। जलवा तेरा जलवा तावा मेरे नावा।
Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sa rigatta bari rigarini sa rigatta bari. Sapamaga mama ga mama ga mama ga mama ga paga gari sanisa gari sanisa.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द से महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। हाँ, मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे। फीका न पड़े कभी अंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं गुल बन के मैं खिल जाऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं तेरी फसलों में लहराऊं इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
बूंद बूंद दिल के बने लहर और लहर 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 में भी बनी सागर वो बनी सागर वो बनी सागर। दूर पास चीर गया मिलती निरंतर भरती रही अपने मन की गागर वो मन की गागर वो मन की गागर।
जिस्म तेरा सोने का हीरे मोती लाल जड़े हैं। हर जिस्म तेरा सोने का हीरे मोती लाल जड़े हैं। तेरे घर पे हम सब तेरे पहरेदार खड़े हैं। हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं प्यारे हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं प्यारे। काहे काहे तेरा जलवा तेरा जलवा जलवा वो तेरा जलवा 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 तेरा जलवा जलवा वो तेरा जलवा जलवा।
Thank you, dear students, for your wonderful performance.
Now, I cordially invite Sister Jency, the principal of our school, to give away a warm wishings and great inspiration.
Respected Father Joshi, dear sisters, teachers, parents, students, I wish you all the greetings of the 75th Independence Day. Today, all of us are gathered under the roof of the online media to celebrate the Independence Day with colorful programs. It is very suitable to celebrate and pay tribute to the freedom fighters on the 75th Independence Day of our nation. Wish you all the best for all the students, those who display their talents on the stage. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. For every Indian in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to the ones who fought for it, to the ones who held a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our nation. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, sister, for your love and great inspiration.
Everyone's life is an inspiration and everybody can inspire others. Now, I welcome Kanishka Rai to inspire us with her thoughts.
Morning to Manager Father Joshi, Principal Sister Jency, teachers and all my dear friends. I'm Kanishka Rai from class 8th Pink. On the occasion of Independence Day, I'm here to give a speech on it. Today we all are here to acknowledge the privileged fact that we all are born in free India and celebrating 75th Independence Day of it. We need to learn about that people who were born before 1947, they were being enslaved under a colonial rule and it was the toughest time for them, as well as it does not mean that we have to fade away all of our memories about that time. On the occasion, we all turn our thoughts to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for our success and the people who made sacrifices to make our country liberty. Mahatma Gandhi was seeking liberty from foreign rule as the other people were guided to a path of self-belief and hope for the better future. Democracy gives us right to live happily in the country. Today we all are here due to the vision and the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. Gandhiji said that wars can be won with non-violence and it makes us value of the cherished freedom that we all have today. So as a proud citizen, it is our responsibility to perform our duty and progress together for the development of our country. Keeping the sacrifices our ancestors made in our mind, we should take an oath to give the better future to our motherland. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Kanishka, for your wonderful thoughts.
Music has always brought a great relaxation and control in human beings. Now, I invite the Dev Bajoria to have his performance on KCU.
My name is Dev Bajoria. Respected father, sisters and teacher, Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you.
Daksh Maheshwari to inspire us with his speech.
Hello, a warm and pleasant morning to all of you here, and a happy Independence Day to all. We are glad enough to celebrate Independence Day in these critical conditions of COVID 19, and I hope you all are fine in these conditions of COVID 19. I am presenting a speech on this grand occasion. The Independence Day, is the day when we have got our freedom by the Britishers. But I will not tell how we have got the freedom because it is so common. But I will try to convey what now our responsibility is for the free nation, a very expensive gift from the freedom fighters. Independence Day is the day for paying tribute to all our national leaders, national freedom fighters, national soldiers, and all those who died for our nation. But to pay tribute does not only means to light a candle or put flowers on the pictures of freedom fighters or sing national anthem or hoist a flag. We should have a feeling of nationalism in us. We have not gained or revealed this freedom. We have borrowed it from the great freedom fighters, and in return it is our duty to keeping ourselves united and a secular nation. But despite doing this, we are only worried for us and ourselves. We are dividing ourselves in religions and castes, forgetting that there is no caste inequality in the freedom struggle, which was the main reason for having us freedom. But now we are destroying it. We are destroying our unity and our India, which is known as unity in diversity. All nations are saying it's a great nation because of unity and diversity. We are destroying this uniqueness. We are destroying. All nations are inspired by us because of our unity in diversity. We are destroying it by dividing us into religions and castes. We are destroying our diversity, unity in diversity. We have to be united. We have to be secular once again, so as to be free once again, because this freedom is in debt on us, and for this, free from this debt, we have to be united and secular, and we have to be united and secular. Thank you once again. A very happy Independence Day to you all.
Thank you very much, Daksh, for your great thoughts and views.
Now I welcome Aditya Chaturvedi for his solo song performance.
Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. The saffron of the rays rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. And our hearts fill with pride at these three colors three. The saffron gives us courage and inspires sacrifice. The white for us is peace and honesty. The green is festive life and it means prosperity. The central wheel is dharma for eternity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. The saffron of the rays rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts fill with pride at these three colors tree. From the north and from the south of this great ancient line, from the east and from the west, together we all stand. Let's revere the flag that is our mark of eternity, our identity, integrity, and our noble dignity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our hearts up high.
Thank you, Adit, for your great effort.
Our teachers are always our great inspiration and great support to the welfare of our country. Now, I cordially invite our Jyoti Madam to inspire us with her words of wisdom.
नमस्कार, नमस्ते सदा वत्सले मातृभूमे त्वया हिंदू भूमे सुखद वर्धितो हम महामंजले पुण्य भूमे तरहो पदेशे सुकार्यो नमस्ते मातृभूमे. A very hearty good morning to respected father, sisters, teachers and all my dear loving students. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. It gives me a great pleasure living together and living in the country on the eve of 75th Independence Day. August 15th fill us with the excitement on unfurling the tricolor, taking part in celebration and listening to the patriotic song on this day. The youth of India should feel the special pride of being citizen of a free nation. So we gratefully remember our freedom fighters and martyrs whose sacrifices enable us to live an independence nation. The ethos of our freedom struggle forms the foundation of modern India, and visionary leaders brought together a diversity of world views to forge a common national spirit. They were committed to the cause of liberating Bharat Mata from oppressive foreign rule and securing the future of the children. So their thoughts and actions shaped the identity of India as modern nation. The celebration of Independence Day last year and this year be rather distant. This reason is obvious, which has disrupted all activities and take as a huge toll. So it altered the world we live in before the pandemic, continuously on the forefront of our first against this virus. Unfortunately, many of them have lost their lives. All corona warriors deserve high praise. We have learned some tough lessons in these 2 years, 2020 and 21. The invisible virus has demolished the illusion that human being is the master of nature, This lesson will be useful to humanity. The younger generation has learned the lessons well, and I believe that that future of India is safe in their hands. We have lot to offer to the global community, especially for intellectual and spiritual enrichment and promotion of world peace with their spirit. So I offer a prayer for the well-being of one and all. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu ma kashyantu dubhag bhaved. It means may all be happy, may all be free from illness, may all be what is auspicious, and may no one come to the grief. So the message of this prayer for universal well-being is India's unique gift to humanity. I once again congratulate you all. The eve of 75th Independence Day. I wish you good health and a bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, madam, for your great inspiration.
Now, I welcome Tarun Pratap Singh and Vriddhi Dhakar for their song presentation.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जहाँ सत्य हिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। जय भारत जय भारत जय भारत जय भारत। ये धरती वो जहाँ ऋषि मुनि जपते प्रभु नाम की माला। हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम। जहाँ हर बालक एक मोहन है और राधा एक बाला, और राधा एक बाला। जहाँ सूरज सबसे पहले आकर डाले अपना डेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूँ मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँचें आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई गम की आँचें आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Thank you, dear students, for your melodious song.
Now, let us watch a skit by class 10 students.
Once there was a village. There comes Mahatma Buddha. He was a devoted soul. In that village, there was a robber, a serial killer named Gabbar. He had killed 90 people, yet he had decided to kill 100 people in order to make a fear of him in other people's mind. The Sarpanch of the village asked Mahatma,
As from that them.
"Know about that killer. I will help you out."
Then Mahatma went towards jungle to in search of Gabbar.
I will kill you, I am the demon.
When will you stop, son?
What do you mean?
What do you mean means when you will stop spoiling your life. You are spoiled your life in doing such types of crime. You should follow the path of wisdom, happiness, be helpful towards others, and follow the path of non-violence.
Sorry, I realized that I am
Mystical words of Buddha inspired and motivated the Gabbar, and he became a good person. Hence, you see that only by follow the path of ahimsa we can solve any problem in our life. This is the power of ahimsa. Thank you.
Thank you very much, student, for your great thoughts.
75th Independence Day celebration has made each and everyone happy and thoughtful. All of us have contributed very much for the success of the program. Let us take the opportunity to thank everyone for their support and guidance. Let us thank all the participants for their efforts, sacrifice and love for our country. Finally, we thank you, dear Father Joshi, Sister Jansi, and all other teachers who helped us in every possible way. Thank you one and all, and once again wish you a happy Independence Day to all.